Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're going to do a bit of TA on Bitcoin because it looks like the market makers are trying to do us dirty. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's look at the monthly first, because monthly did do a beautiful thing in the previous month. We had the highest monthly candle close in Bitcoin's history. Let's focus on that. That is fantastic and amazing. Beautiful job, Bitcoin. We're gonna not talk about how it tried its best to create bearish divergence, but we avoided it, so that's great. However, let's go down to the weekly. On our weekly, this is where I'm seeing some red flags here, big time red flags. Something you all should focus in on. Right now, it looks like we're range bound. Right now, it looks fine, looks great. I'm noticing bearish divergence on the weekly, as well as this was a mildly higher high with lower relative strength, and for the past 3 weeks straight we have found resistance at 104,472, whether that be because of the Trump coin release, the Meliana coin release, or the tariffs now. Either way, there are reasons we are not getting above $104,000, and it's creating a lot of scarce, or not scarce, but a lot of fear in the back of my head, because I'm like, wow, is this looking like a top for now? Could be for a few weeks, maybe even a couple months, who knows? If we keep going into this tariff thing, it could get Wall Street scared. And noted, it's Wall Street scared. You should not be scared. If this happens, you should be looking at this as the ultimate buying opportunity for generational wealth. Never financial advice, but that's my opinion. That is my personal opinion if this pans out. But right now, as of this moment, if we fell like a stone, if it just went straight down, I would be looking for Bitcoin to possibly test the 50 simple moving average on the weekly, which is about a 25% drop, getting you down to 73,522. But you do have support sitting right down here at 71,243. You know what? You plan for the worst, you hope for the best. Anyways, this is my worst case scenario right now, is that we get a nice back test of previous highs that we never back tested. I'm going to repeat that. Previous highs that we never back tested as support. So it is always a possibility that we could go down and test it as support. The only thing different this time around is the fact that the institutions are treating Bitcoin more like a stock and less like a crypto. So you're just seeing this steady incline, steady movement that is very methodical, very grindy, that we're just kind of not used to in the crypto space. Now, on your daily time frame, this is where more red flags are coming into my head, because I can see bearish divergence here. We had a nice little pullback. We did fall below the 50 simple moving average. We came back up, but noted the strength continues to just keep falling off of a cliff. And now we are finding resistance at that 50 simple moving average on the daily. So this is giving me a little wee woo. Things might be bad. Things might not be what we thought they were. This could get worse. So I really do want to bring this to everybody's attention, because on top of that, we did technically put in our first lower high. So we have the beginnings of what could possibly be a start of a downtrend. I'm saying possibly because my crystal ball didn't come from China now that those tariffs are in place. Anyways, let's go ahead and look into lower time frames here. Let's check out our 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour, this thing looks like it is just catching a bounce. If I were being honest with myself, I'd be looking for a golden retrace from this high to the low. Getting up to a 619 would be great, but I would be looking for a rollover after that. So currently speaking, that is sitting at 100,337. I'm sure there are a lot of people saying, hey, we caught bids, we're doing great, we're recovering, this is the best thing ever, let's go long. I wouldn't go and do something like that, mainly because I would think we would see a lot more downside. If what I am thinking plays out, we find a lot of resistance at this 100,000 337, if we even make it up there, then I would be looking at this completely different. I would be looking at it as a very bearish pattern, and possibly the second leg down would be coming. So I would be aiming at $82,189. I know nobody wants to hear that. I know everybody's like, oh, that's super bearish. There's no way it's going to happen. But you know what? Nobody thought that last crash was going to happen either. And then on top of that, on your 4 hour, we're not even putting in bullish divergence. It's not showing the buyers we're trying to accumulate here. This is an oversold bounce. That is all I'm seeing. So if we were to see lower lows, then start putting in a little bullish divergence, hey, I'd feel a little better. But we do not have bullish divergence on the 4 hour, and on the daily, we're not even close to being oversold. Not even close. We just broke into the bearish control zone. Our 200 daily moving average is sitting down here at 78,239 at the time of me recording. So it's not out of the cards to see Bitcoin fall another 16.65%. And that is honestly how I'm thinking it's going to happen. But let's go ahead and drop into the 1 hour. Let's see what's going on here. So the last time your relative strength was just as high as it currently is right now, the price was sitting at the top of this level, $106,082. That's where the price was. That's not a good look on the 1 hour. That is a sign we are about to start rolling over in a big way, in my opinion. Never financial advice. But I'm just trying to get this information out to you guys. Let's go ahead and check for the scalp traders out there. What is the 15 minute showing us? 15 minute isn't showing us anything crazy. Nothing crazy. But notice, the last time you were this high in price, you were not in overbought territory. But guess what you are now? Overbought. This is a sign of hidden bearish divergence. It's hidden because nobody wants to pay attention to stuff like this. Nobody wants to pay attention to that, but when you have a higher relative strength with significantly lower price, there is a possibility this thing is getting ready to roll over. So I'm going to be monitoring this. I do go live every single day. If you enjoy TA and you enjoy learning this type of stuff, please like and subscribe to the channel. Maybe even check the description down below. You can join the Discord. You can pop any questions you want off of me in the community, and maybe you can take full advantage of this market, because we were leveraged short yesterday and we loved those gains. We might be looking for more shorts coming in the very near future, because right now Bitcoin does look primed and ready to go for possible downside. We're going to see if it gets canceled out later, but right now we are being very cautious. Very, very cautious. Anyways, hopefully you did enjoy this video. Hopefully you found some value out of it. If you did, please leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Also, tell me your thoughts on the market right now as a whole. What do you think's going on? Are we going down to zero? Are we going to the moon? What's up? What's going through your head? I would love to know the sentiment of the viewers. And other than that, if you need a place to facilitate trading of cryptocurrencies, we are affiliated with Weeks and Buy DeFi. You guys can join it. No VPN, no KYC. It is friendly to the United States, Canada, and the UK. There are amazing sign-on bonuses for both of them, so go give them a look. It's pretty nice to have multiple options when it comes to your trading, especially when you start getting into those high numbers. You want to spread out the love between exchanges. Anyways, I will catch you guys in the next one, or I'll catch you in the live stream tonight. Take it easy. Good luck out there. Keep those stop losses tight. Have a good day.